All right, so this is our NHP 5000. A lot of the shops, like mom and pop shops, you don't see horizontal machines in one of two factors. One, the footprint of the machine because it's so big. Second one, because they're a little bit more expensive than your typical 3-axis machine. But the cool thing with this is you open up your work envelope to 29 by 29 by 35 inches. So your typical 40-20-20 3-axis machining center only has the ability to go 20 inches. So our Z expands and also our Y because of the depth we have. Now this one has 2 pallets. You can do 360-degree machining. If you want to come up here, I'll show you. So the cool thing is with the 360 degrees, if you were to put a part in the center, right? And now we can rotate that center part in the center 360 degrees. And we can do actually 4-sided machining, 5-sided machining if you didn't have any holes or anything like that on the outside. That's what makes it nice with the horizontal machine. Now you can go back and forth. If you have to turn and or mill at the same time, Z back and forth this way. So see, if you have your tool that sticks out over here, the Z goes back to the home position. So now you have all that distance between, compared to like a horizontal or vertical machine when you have your part stack up, then your tool hangs down and then it changes. So this is where the utilize of the 4th axis or the 4-axis machine is very versatile in our industry because of the less amounts that you touch it, along with the ability to do more operations at one time, along with changing over your machine and or getting the next parts ready. So that way you can constantly be having workflow go through. So now, you guys saw the inside of the machine with the tombstone in there. So this is the on-deck staging tombstone. So what happens now, let's say that one was running on the other side, we can put this into auto rotate, and we can actually, if this had the same pallet, we can do 2 parts on 1 pallet. And or if it had a smaller pallet on the sides, we could put another part over here, like so. So now you're doing 4 sides of machining at one time and touching the part less. Optimally, gives us the ability to keep the spindles turning and the parts coming out.